crocheters! So, I have here a pom-pom yarn. Nabigay lang ng sister ko and honestly, hindi ko rin alam kung para saan siya at first. So, I did a little research and apparently parang pang-knitting pala siya and I'm not sure if it works for crochet. So, help me out guys kung ano bang pwedeng gawin dito. I have 2 balls of this yarn pa and dahil nga pang-knitting siya, I decided na mag-aral na rin ako mag-knit. Kaya please, no judgment kung hindi perfect yung result. Naalala ko tuloy when I first started crocheting, lang nagturo sa akin, I'm mostly self-taught. At first, crochet wasn't really my thing, lalo na kapag nanonood ako ng tutorials. Ang gulo, ang daming terms. Pero, eventually, nakita ko how cute the projects can be kaya trinay ko na rin. My first ever crochet kit is binili ko lang online for about 300 pesos. Doon talaga ako natuto and to be honest, I still consider myself a beginner. Ang dami ko pa rin hindi alam and lagi akong nakakalimot sa patterns. Plus, mahirap din minsan i-control ang hook, lalo na pag walang masyadong coordination ang kamay mo. Pero, if you're thinking of trying crochet or even knitting, go for it. As long as you're happy doing it, you'll always end up creating something beautiful. Anyway, natapos ko na tong mini project ko gamit ang pom-pom yarn. Kaso, kinulang ako and ayoko nang gamitin yung isa pa kasi ibang kulay na siya. So, here's the result. I'm not sure kung anong use nito. Maybe pang upuan? Pang napilo? I don't know. Thick and fluffy naman siya. Let me know in the comments kung may suggestions kayo kung anong pwede kong gawin sa remaining 2 balls of this yarn. And that's it for now. If you like this video, please like, follow, and share, and see you next time!